Welcome back to Talk of the Town. Volunteer in Medicine's Dance for the Kids, celebrating 20 years of healing children, is an amazing annual fundraiser that offers fellowship, great food, and great dancing, and above all, support of an absolutely wonderful cause. Joining us now, Dr. Raymond Cox, Volunteer in Medicine's Hilton Head's new Executive Medical Director and Assistant Director of Development and Communication, Ginger Allen. Welcome to the show. It's an honor.
Thank you.
Thanks for having us. Absolutely. So, tell us a little bit about Volunteers in Medicine Hilton Head Island for those who really don't know, I guess, what the center does, you know, who it supports, and some of the programs it offers, Dr. Cox.
Yeah, Volunteers in Medicine is a unique way of delivering health care to underserved populations on Hilton Head and WHHI Island. It was founded in 1993 by Dr. Jack McConnell and several other pioneers who had a tremendous vision about how care needed to be delivered to people on the island who couldn't otherwise afford health care. They got together some physicians who volunteered to provide services to this population, and over the years the clinic has grown from being delivering immunizations in a room in the hospital to its own building, and last year we saw over 33,000 visits. Amazing. We have over 120 physician volunteers and a total of close to 600 volunteers.
Wow. It's just amazing. It's just amazing the amount of work they do there.
Yeah. Wow.
So the theme of the Dance for Kids, tell us a little bit about how that was chosen and you know, what services the VIM provides for the children.
Well, this is our 20th year. And so we decided that this year's theme should be Dance for the Kids, celebrating 20 years of healing the children. And one of the reasons that we chose that theme is because back in its origination, the idea behind Volunteers in Medicine on Hilton Head was to be sure to provide immunizations for the underserved children on the island. And of course we've grown, as Dr. Cox was saying, from that and now provide, you know, well over 30,000 patient visits a year across 23 medical specialties. But we wanted to really celebrate what we've been able to do for the children, and that incorporates anything from immunizations to physicals. We provide a lot of pediatric dental care. There's mental health, also chronic diseases such as diabetes. We're seeing more and more of that. And so
I think people would be amazed. I mean, and if they've never been to Volunteers in Medicine Hilton Head Island, I think they should take the opportunity to at least go through and just see the services that are there, and it's amazing.
We're really proud of our pediatric dental services because that really does provide a significant service to the community. We also are very proud of the fact that our physicians are, in many cases, academically trained. I mean, most of our physicians were on an academic faculty at some point during their career. So we have a really good set of physicians across, as Ginger said, 23 medical specialties.
And so, Dr. Cox, what led you to become the new Executive Director of Volunteers in Medicine Hilton Head Island? And we are certainly pleased to have you.
Well, thank you. Well, the reason why I got to Hilton Head was because I came home from work one day and my wife, after a particularly trying day, said, "I'm moving to Hilton Head, would you like to join me?" But
nice of her to offer.
Since I wasn't quite ready to retire, I had the opportunity to read the book Circle of Caring by Dr. Jack McConnell, and I was so impressed with the mission, vision, and values of the clinic. And the joy of the people who work there and the fact that they're all volunteering was something that I was truly interested in. And since I'd spent most of my career serving underserved patients, this is sort of the capstone to my career.
Yeah, wonderful. Ginger, quickly, let's talk a little bit about the actual event, the date, how people can still sponsor, tickets, things like that.
Absolutely. Well, Dance for the Kids will be on November 9th. It's Saturday at the West End Hilton Head Island Resort and Spa. Tickets are $150 per person, and sponsorships are available beginning at $250.
Amazing band. Amazing
No, the band is fabulous. Well, first of all, we're having a cocktail reception with Don Height, Hilton Head's piano man, a seated dinner, live and silent auction with fabulous trips, and this band is from Atlanta, Georgia. They're highly acclaimed and a regular on the Atlanta social scene, a 10-piece set called the Del Baroni Orchestra. And they play everything from Frank Sinatra to
Yeah,
Alicia
it's going to be
Keys.
just a fabulous evening.
For everybody.
And people can get tickets through VIM.
Absolutely. They can either visit our website, which is www.vimclinic.org, or they can call. It's 689-6612. And
Wonderful.
tickets are available.
Wonderful. Thank you both for joining us today.
And thank you.
Thanks for having us.
And we will be right back with Talk of the Town.